Hello students of class 5. Today we will start the first chapter of your third term syllabus, that is chapter 11. Let us begin with chapter 11. First we will learn about time. In time we have two systems, that is one is the 12-hour clock system and the other one is 24-hour clock system. First we will learn and know what is 12-hour clock. Now the day is divided into 12-hour period. Okay, the first period is from 12 midnight to 12 noon. Now the day starts from 12 midnight. Okay, so from 12 midnight to 12 noon, it is 12-hour period. Okay, so that period is known as anti-meridian. Okay, so we write anti-meridian as AM. Now what did I say? The day is divided into two 12-hour period. One is from 12 midnight to 12 noon. That period is known as anti-meridian. It is represented as AM. And the other 12-hour period is from 12 noon. From 12 noon to 12 midnight. From 12 noon to 12 midnight, this period is known as post-meridian, and this is known as PM. Now, to understand better, let me take some example. After the 12 midnight, suppose the short hand is in 1 and the longer hand is in 12. So this is 1, we will say 1 AM. Clear? And if the short hand points at 2, it is 2 AM. Okay? So it will go on like that until it is noon. Now, when it reaches noon, after the noon, we say, if the short hand points at 1, we will say it is 1 PM. Okay? Then next, if it points at 2, we will say 2 PM and so on. Then it will reach 12 midnight again. Are you clear, students? Now let us understand the 24-hour clock. Now in this system, the time of the day is given as HH and MM. Now HH represents the hour and MM represents minutes. Okay, usually this 4-digit number, it is represented with 4 digits numbers. Okay, so the first two is the hour and the second is the minutes. Now to understand better, we will see this table which I have drawn in the board. Now we all know that the time of the day starts from 12 midnight. Okay, so in the hour it is 0 and in minute it is also 0. So 12 midnight is represented as 00 in the hour and minutes 00. Okay, so when you see both in the hour and in the minute 0, we will understand that it is 12 midnight. Now next is 01 and in the minute 00, or we say as 100 hours. So 100 hours is 1 AM. Next 200 hours, so it is 2 AM. Like that you will understand the hours which is given. Okay, now after 1100 hours, 11 AM, and 1200 hours is 12 noon. Now after 12 noon, we write 1300. After 12, we write 1300 hours. So 1300 hours means 1 p.m. because it is after noon. We will not write a.m. anymore. We will write p.m. because it is post meridian. Now next 1400 hours 2 p.m. and it will go on till we reach 12 midnight. Okay? Clear? The 24-hour clock. Now let us try to solve exercise 11.1. Question number 1. Convert to 12-hour clock time. Now in the question it is given in hours. We have to convert it into 12-hour clock. Now you see here 00 in hours and 00 in minutes. I've already explained you what it will be. It will be 12 midnight. Okay? Now, in hours it is 01 and in the minutes it is 00. So, we can understand that it is 1 a.m. Next, in the hour it is 00. That means it is 12 and in minutes 20. So, it is 12:20 a.m. Next, 438 hours. 438 hours. 4:38 a.m. Next, 1345 hours. 1345 hours. Now, 1345 minus 12 p.m. What do we get? 13 minus 12 is 1. So it is 1:45 p.m. 1218 hours. So this means 12:18 p.m. Okay. Now let us solve question number 2. Convert to 24-hour clock time. Now in the question it is given in 12-hour time. 4:40 a.m. So we can write as in hours it is 4 and in minutes it is 40. So 440 hours. 9:45 a.m. So this also we can directly write as in hours it is only 9. So we will write 09 and 45 hours. Clear? Now 12 midnight. How do we write 12 midnight? 0. In hour it is 0. In minute also it is 0. Next, 11:25 a.m. So 11:25 in hours it is 11 and in minutes it is 25. Now 1 p.m. 1 p.m. you add it with 12. So 12 plus 1 is 13. So 1300 hours. Clear? Now 5:16 p.m. In the same way, you add with 12 hours. So 12 plus 5 is 17 and in minutes it is 16 plus 0 will be 16. Next, the last one, 5:20 p.m. in the same way, 5:20 plus 12 hours. 5 plus 12 is again 17. In minutes it is 20 plus 0. So 20 hours. Clear? Now we will see calendar. Okay, we all know in one day we have 24 hours. In 1 week we have 7 days. 1 month 30 days. That is taken in average. 1 year 12 months. And in days 1 year equal to 365 days. But if it is leap year we have 366 days, because in February during the leap year we usually have 28 days, but during leap year we have 29 days. That's why if it is leap year we will have 366 days. Okay, now weeks, 1 year is equal to 52 weeks 1 day. Try to remember all this. Now let us solve exercise 11.4, question number 1. Convert into days. Now the first question is given 3 weeks. So we have to convert these weeks into days. We know that 1 week is equal to how many days? 7 days. So therefore 3 weeks is equal to 3 into 7 days. So 3 7s is 21. So 3 weeks is equal to 21 days. Now you see question number C. 2 leap years, 24 days. Now I have already told you one leap year is equal to how many days? 366 days. So let us find 2 leap years, 24 days. So 2 into 366 days plus 24 days. Now multiply this. 6 2s is 12, 1 in hand, 6 2s are 12, 13, 1 in hand, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. So 732 days plus 24 days. So if you add, you will get 756 days. Clear? Next is 2 years 45 days. So we know that in 1 year, in normal 1 year, we have 365 days. So 2 years 45 days is equal to 2 into 365 days plus 45 days. So 5 2s are 10, 730 days plus 45 days. So 730 plus 45 will be 775 days. Clear? Now let us solve question 2, convert into months. The first question is given 7 year. We know that 1 year is equal to 12 months. Therefore 7 year equal to 7 into 12 months. 7 2s are 14, 1 in hand, 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 84 months. So 7 years is equal to 84 months. Next, 4 years 11 months. We know that 1 year is equal to 12 months. So we will directly multiply with 12. We will convert these 4 years to months plus 11 months, which is already given in the question. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 48 months plus 11 months. So 59 months. Clear? Now let us solve question number 3, convert into weeks. The first question is 27 days. We know that 7 days is equal to 1 week. Therefore, 1 day is equal to 1 by 7 will come down. So 1 day is equal to 1 by 7 week. Now we will convert these 27 days into weeks. 27 days equal to, we will multiply 1 by 7 into 27 weeks. Since we cannot cut it, we will directly divide it. 7 3s is 21. 6. So 3 whole 6 by 7 weeks. Here. Now next is C, 248 days. We know that 7 days is equal to 1 week. Therefore, 1 day is equal to 1 by 7 week. So now let us convert 248 days to weeks by multiplying with 1 by 7. Let's divide. 7 3s is 21. 4 minus 1 is 3. 7 5s is 35. 8 minus 5 is 3. So 35 whole 3 by 7 weeks. So 248 days is equal to 35 whole 3 by 7 weeks. Now let us solve question number 4, convert into years. The first question is 56 months. We know that 12 months is equal to 1 year. Therefore, 1 month is equal to 1 by 12 year. Now we will convert this 56 months to years by multiplying with 1 by 12. Okay, so let us directly divide. It will go with say 4 2s are 8, 4. So 16 minus 8, 8. So 4 whole 8 by 12. Now you can reduce these 8 and 12 with 4. 4 2s is 8, 4 3s is 12. So your answer is 4 whole 2 by 3 years. Clear? Next, 243 months. In the same way, we know that 1 month is equal to 1 by 12 year. Okay? Here I am not writing this anymore. 1 month is equal to 1 by 12 year. Therefore, let us convert 243 months is equal to 1 by 12 into 243. So let us directly divide. 12 2s is 24. 3. Now, since 3 is less, it doesn't go with 1 also. So we will divide with 12 zeros is 0. Okay, so the remainder is 3. Now 20 whole 3 by 12. Now we can reduce 3 and 12. 3 ones are 3, 4s is 12. So the answer is 20 whole 1 by 4. Yes. So students, I believe you have understood the chapter. I will give you some homework from exercise 11.1, question 1 and 2 you try to do by yourself, and from exercise 11.4, question 1, 2, 3 and 4. Thank you everyone.